According to reports and data, the global polyurethane (PU) resin market size was $803.1 million in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 3.2% during the forecast period. Rising demand for cut and tear resistance resins and increasing adoption of polyurethane resins for wood and floor coatings are factors expected to drive market revenue growth during the forecast period. Increasing usage of these resins for construction purposes and rising adoption of these resins for sealing, compressing, and insulation of circuit boards of electronic products are some other factors expected to boost market revenue growth during the forecast period. Polyurethane resins are copolymers that are formed when an alcohol named polyol reacts with an isocyanate when proper additives and catalysts are introduced. Polyurethane resin in the US is expected to increase in volume by about 1% yearly till 2024.